Hi there. It's Sunday, September 15th. I'm Yvonne de Celis coming to you on YDCtv, and it's about 8:50 p.m. I'm just here to redo one exercise that I did. I believe it was a few days ago. I don't remember what day actually it was this week. It might have been Wednesday. It's number 90. More tips on how to help prevent or get rid of congestion troubles. One of the ones I did, I talked about what to do if you have a sore throat. I'm going to redo that because I caught a mistake when I did that one, so I want to redo it for you. And I'm also going to show you two other exercises. One thing you can do it just to help you catch your breath. It's a part of Donna Eden's daily morning feel-good energy exercise routine. It is really good for breathing. And then last, I'm going to do one other exercise on how to clear out your lymphatic system. So just first off, to start with, if you have a sore throat or if you want to prevent a sore throat, we're going to do this from starting from one corner to another. So what you want to do is kind of dig a little bit right where your ear connects with your neck. It may be a little sensitive on one side, and one side might be completely almost numb. It might not bother it at all. The other one might be a little tender. That's normal, so don't be alarmed by that. But what you're going to do is you're going to put one hand at the bottom of your jawbone on that side, right by the where the ear connects with the neck, and underneath that, your other hand should be at the top of your collarbone. So we're going from the jawbone to the collarbone, and we're just stretching out the skin, starting from that one ear and just going to the center. I'm trying very hard to avoid my microphone. I apologize if I accidentally bonk that. I'm trying very hard not to make any excessive loud sounds with my mic, so I apologize in advance if I do. I'm trying to avoid it. So all the way to the other side, and then once you're done with that, sorry, rubbing my hands together and shaking them out to get rid of any negative energy I might have picked up. Next thing is baby pinches, meaning just really light, shouldn't hurt, just baby pinches in that whole area that we've just stretched out from one side to another. Just do little baby pinches all around. And what this is doing is redirecting energies, letting energies know where they need to go. So if you have a sore throat, this is a really good way of getting rid of it. It's also, as I said, a good way of avoiding it. So you could do this as part of your morning routine. It actually feels kind of good to do, especially, again, if you're having any sorts of problems with your throat. It feels kind of good. So that's a good one, a really quick one. The next one is the lymphatic system. Sorry, I'll do lymphatic system last, actually. This next one is the thymus gland. As we get older, our thymus glands get smaller, and they can fill up with fat, and makes it hard for the oxygen to get through. So as I said, this is part of Donna Eden's daily morning feel-good routine. It's very easy to do. It's called the thymus thump, and again, I'm not going to really hit very hard. I usually do, but again, I don't want to make excessive noise on my mic. You can do a Tarzan tap, or you can also just tap with knuckles or fingers. You just want to thump your thymus. And as you thump your thymus, it'll help you. So if you go up a flight of stairs and you find you're out of breath, just try that out. It'll help you catch your breath again. And then last but not least, how to help clean out your lymphatic system. Our lymphatic systems need our help sometimes, and this is just a very easy way of doing it. You just want to start off. I'm going to start on this side because, again, I don't want to make excessive noise with this microphone. I'm going to use my knuckles, and I'm going to do a tough love massage right where your arm connects with your torso. You just kind of dig in down to the armpit, and then dig back up all the way to the top. And if it's really sensitive, it means this can be really beneficial. It might be extra beneficial. As Donna Eden, I'm going to try to avoid doing this side too heavily because, again, I don't want to make too much noise for you guys. But if it's what she usually says is if it's uncomfortable, it means you really need it. So sorry if you get sick of hearing me say that. I say it all the time because I hear it all the time when I listen to her training. But anyway, as usual, thank you so much for coming and listening and watching. I will be back in about a week with more videos. Please let me know down below if you guys have any requests, anything, if you psychological or physical, if there's anything you want me to try to help you with, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll also put my contacts in at the bottom. If you want to send me a message or something, you can contact me that way. I'll put that into the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to learn more. And I guess that's it for now. I just once again wanted to say Namaste, peace and light, Thank you again for your visit.